the demons that I got on my soul. I've been thinking about the pain that I got on my mind. My conscience on his ears from the things that I did. I've been praying for forgiveness in the way that I live. You can find me in the zone, I swear to God I is. Ain't nobody breathing currently the words law is. I'm a different type of nigga, never worry about the bars. I was focused on progression, but you gotta get it done. I said to try to bring it in, but then again, nobody was a nigga. Pushing was mine and I had to find a way around it. I ran a couple of miles with the bond myself. Don't get fucked up, cause it always helps. I'ma drown in my sorrows all by myself. On a quiet night, if I'm staring at the wall with the sound of thought, I feel like I've been never float my nigga. Tell me what you really know, my nigga. I'm a saying like a motherfucker, trying to find a way to one ticket and take a plenty of time to author ridiculous text. I've been giving you real even though I'm really with stress. So 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4. I cry for help but nobody responding. My emotions gone, yeah, they all have been on. My self-esteem left in my confidence one. I got all of this pain that I did with alone. Love, knowledge, nigga.
Bottle of champagne like that. Just pour that motherfucker down the drain like that. Would you use your water bill to dry the stain like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like that? Do you tear yourself apart to entertain like that? Do the people whisper about you on the train like that? Do you watch you shouldn't waste your face like that?
Never kidding myself for a dream, I don't even believe it. It's really entertaining when you give it your all. I put my soul up on the table, all they do is analyze it. I'm a secret in the round that I ain't never told nobody. When I started rapping, suicidal thoughts are running rampant through my mind. I made amends, I found a way. I guess I could really make it vivid so they see the clearer picture of depression, panicking. I can't take this shit, my God. Tell me where you put me in for, I'm gone. And I don't wanna live no more, hold on. The pain is temporary, I hope I know that I was not created just to waste it. That's the truth, so why the fuck do I regret? Can't explain it, it's a feeling deep inside of me. I got no witnesses left, I know I'm lost on the path I chose. I never like up on the records, I will not be exposed. I'm only giving reality, I'm a lyrical legend. My complimentary honesty is a rarity, yes. You feed the fallacy to them, but I'm not really impressed, cause I can read between the lines and the secret lies. And you were saying like me, been the pain like me. Do you take yourself apart with a taint like me? Wanna change like me, but you can't like me. Terrified that your misery gon' remain like me. Loud, knowledge, nigga.
$100 bottle of champagne like that.
Loud.
Pour that motherfucker down the drain like that. Would you use your water bill to dry the stain like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like that? Do you feel yourself?
And dark scheming, yeah you do. You're a poison, and I know that it's consumed. All my friends think you're vicious, and they say you're suspicious. You keep dreaming, and dark scheming, yeah you do. I feel like I'm drowning. Holding me down and killing me slow, so slow. I feel like I'm drowning. So plastic and it's tragic just for you. And what hell you gonna do when your looks start depleting and your friends all start leaving? You're so plastic and it's tragic just for you. I feel like I'm drowning.